Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen and home gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Chef Craft Select Slotted Sturdy Skimmer is a sleek and practical kitchen tool that combines sturdy construction with efficient design. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this skimmer guarantees durability and longevity. The slotted design allows for easy draining and straining of foods, making it ideal for various cooking tasks. Measuring at 1 inch in length, 4 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this skimmer provides a comfortable grip and ample reach for use in different cookware sizes. The stainless steel and black color combination gives it a modern and professional look that complements any kitchen decor. Whether you are frying, blanching, or skimming soups and stocks, the Chef Craft Select Slotted Sturdy Skimmer is a versatile tool that delivers excellent performance. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand frequent use without compromising its functionality. Overall, the Chef Craft Select Slotted Sturdy Skimmer is a reliable and practical kitchen.
The Dash Mini Maker. Electric round griddle for individual pancakes is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for everyone who enjoys making pancakes. With a sleek white color and non-stick material, this griddle from the trusted brand Dash brings convenience and ease to your pancake making experience. Measuring at 5 inches in diameter, 6.4 inches in width, and 2.8 inches in height, this griddle is designed to be space-saving yet practical for individual pancake servings. Operated at 350 watts with a voltage of 120, this griddle is powerful enough to quickly heat up and cook your pancakes to perfection. Weighing only 1 pound, the Dash Mini Maker is lightweight and easy to handle. Its non-stick surface ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and are easy to flip and serve. The included manual provides guidance on how to use this electric griddle effectively. In conclusion, the Dash Mini Maker electric round griddle for individual pancakes is a reliable and user-friendly.
The OGI stainless steel spoon rest is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this spoon rest is both durable and stylish. The black color and solid pattern give it a modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. Its long handle design ensures that your kitchen utensils stay in place while cooking, keeping your countertops clean and organized. The product dimensions of 8.25 L into 4.5 W provide ample space for various utensils, making it versatile and practical for everyday use. The OGI brand is known for its quality kitchen products, and this spoon rest is no exception. It is easy to clean and maintain, adding convenience to your cooking routine. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, this spoon rest is a must-have accessory.
As an experienced product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to review the Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill, which offers a compact and versatile grilling solution suitable for various occasions. This grill, manufactured by Gas One, is designed with user convenience and functionality in mind. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and standing at 15 inches tall, this portable barbecue grill is ideal for small outdoor spaces, picnics, camping trips, and tailgating events. The compact dimensions make it easy to transport and set up, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious grilled food wherever you go. One notable feature of the Gas One portable barbecue grill is its warming rack. This additional rack provides extra space to keep already grilled food warm while you continue cooking, ensuring that your entire meal is served hot and fresh. The warming rack is a practical addition that enhances the overall usability of the grill. The vibrant red color of the grill adds a touch.
The Euro Cuisine. GY50 Greek Yogurt Maker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that allows you to easily create delicious homemade yogurt. With dimensions of 10 into 10 into 5.25 inches and a light weight of 1.54 pounds, this yogurt maker is compact and easy to store when not in use. Manufactured by Euro Cuisine Inc., known for their high-quality kitchen products, the GY50 Yogurt Maker is designed for convenience and performance. The ASIN for this product is B0091XNL01 and the item model number is GY50, ensuring easy identification and compatibility. With an impressive customer review rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 5,196 ratings, it's evident that this yogurt maker is well received by users. It is ranked #3 in yogurt makers and hash 14, 471 in kitchen and dining, reflecting its popularity among kitchen enthusiasts. This Euro cuisine yogurt maker, originating from China, offers a simple and effective way to prepare fresh yogurt at home. Its user-friendly design,